The month of April was a special one because the snipers were able to stay green as the overall market continued to crash. What's going on, guys? I'm StockSniper Mike, and today we're going to be going over our monthly recap. The overall market is now on 6 straight red weeks from the end of March coming into May now. So the whole month of April, we had red week, red week, red week, red week. So it was a very, very bloody month in April. Actually, one of the worst months since the pandemic and almost in 50 plus years. So a very, very ugly month of April. But after saying all the negative facts that we just went over, the snipers were actually able to profit this month, profiting a total of $5,700 plus and winning 56% of our trades. So even as the stock market is crashing, the snipers were still able to take advantage of their moves. Dow down, snipers up. And a lot of people ask, how do we do it and how do you stay consistent even in a down market? And it really is by sticking to the plan and sticking to one of our 4 sniper patterns. And that's what we did here with our Excel sheet. As you can see in our trade review, we have all of our trades that we made. We made a total of 32 trades here. We actually were able to win 18 of those trades, winning 56%. So that shows you do not have to win every single one of your trades to a profit in this game. Now, how do we do that? By sticking to the sniper patterns and by getting in with the right risk and reward every time we're entering into these patterns. As a sniper, the #1 rule is cutting your losses. And you have to make sure you stick to that rule or you'll easily get eliminated in this game. And what's special about the month of April is our biggest OTC loss was 11%. And other than that, it was below 11%, right around 6%. So great work on minimizing the losses there. Another thing I want to highlight is the options. We are losing a little higher percent on the options, but we do look for a lot more. As you can see, our biggest loss there was 30%, but our biggest win is 80%. So we look for a different risk to reward ratio, but still sticking to the same patterns and making sure we have the right risk to reward ratio set up when entering these plays. One of the most important things about staying profitable month by month is sticking to the plans and not swaying away from that. As you can see here, out of all 32 of these trades, every single one of them lined up with one of the sniper patterns. And one of the biggest benefits about creating an Excel sheet and reviewing your past month is you can get a feel for which patterns you're best with. This month, we noticed a reoccurring trend, and that trend is the first Green Day play is the StockSniper's favorite pattern. Month by month now, we've realized that the first Green Day pattern is the one that we go to most. And for this month of April, we actually were able to profit 18 out of 27 of those trades. So 66% win ratio on the first Green Days. Our next favorite pattern, and actually the best win ratio on the month, is the multi-month breakout / 52-week breakout. We only traded 4 of those patterns, but we were able to profit on 3 of those. So winning 75% of the multi-month breakout patterns. We'll be looking for more of those come in May. And the last 2 patterns were actually very quiet for the month of April, which means something should be heating up for this next upcoming month in May. The first one is the panic dip buy, and we actually had 0 panic dip buy. And the last pattern, but certainly not least, is for the people that like shorting out there. If you don't like shorting, or if you don't know what it is or not comfortable with it, this pattern might not be for you. For the month of April, we actually only traded it once, and we lost on that one trade, going 0 for 1. But we stuck to the #1 rule of cutting our losses on that trade, and we only lost a total of $52. So we will be back for that first red day short whenever one comes up to start the new month of May. Dow down, snipers up. That's what we like to hashtag, and that's what we like to say, especially in ugly times like this. April was one of the ugliest months ever in the stock market, and definitely in the past 3 years. The sniper team was still able to profit over $5,700 in these times, and that's what I really want to point out. No matter what kind of market it is, up, down, or even side to side, the sniper patterns work, and staying consistent is what it's all about. If you would like to learn more about the sniper team and how we profit from these sniper patterns, we'd love to have you on the team. Check us out on our website at thestocksnipers.com, or you could check us out on Google Play or the App Store under the Stock Snipers. We got a great group of traders on there, starting from beginners who have never traded before all the way up to multi-millionaires, all with one goal, the same goal. Let's get rich together. Hope to see you guys on the team, and if not, I'll be back here next month for another monthly recap. If you didn't go check out the month of March, we just dropped that on YouTube last month, so make sure to go check out the month of March recap. Alright, we'll see you back here next month for the month of May, and hopefully another green month. Stock Sniper Mike, out.